the steam.
I mean, Simba.
What is it, Simba? Yeah? Do you like it?
Must be the chemicals. Drink from it.
As I said, Vax were giving a free gift. And this is it. A whole new box. A steam cleaner. Which is going to be very good for the kitchen floor. Especially if you've got kids and pets. Come here. Yeah. What's in there? Oh yeah, okay.
You're gonna help unbox Simba and then clean them.
So, there we go.
Open it, Simba. Come on, open it.
So here we have microfiber pads and the bottom of the steam.
I mean, Simba.
What is it, Simba? Yeah? Do you like it?
Must be the chemicals. Drink from it.
Wow,
So
you're really interested in this one, Simba. Is this for you? This is yours. More cardboard for recycling. Wow, this is really nice. Nice handle, made of metal. A nice plastic grip.
That's a tiny thing, isn't it?
Your steamer.
It looks like an iron board.
And you put your water in there. And then you've got off, on. And then you can vary the steam coming out. And then underneath the trigger, cable loop here, and then when we put the handle in down through there. Yeah, would you like that one?
Why is she getting so excited?
Simba, can you read that one? Some tools for
Chews or something. Simba, that's not eating. That's not your chews, Missy.
So we have all sorts of things here. There we go, what's that there? You can put that on your nose. Lots of attachments to put on the ends. These are for getting into small little places around your, maybe your hob, your cooking hob. And you can steam clean that one. There's brushes here. These are hard brushes, so that's good for wire trays and racks. Don't know what that one's for. There's another one. See these pretty hard brushes and bristles on there. So that's good for like metalwork and getting some stubborn grime off. And this one is a nice blade, rubber blade for glass shower doors, shower screens. And you can put this on the end of the steamer. There we go, so let's have a little look. There. So push that in, push that button, and then it's in. Again, this one will turn. I'm sure it will. I won't turn it. So we can loop all this around. And there. This is a carpet glider, so we can actually steam your carpet. If you have some real stubborn stains, you put this and then you can do this over your carpet, and that will bring out any stubborn stains. This just clicks off. This is your microfiber pad. This is your carpet glider. Press for the pad.
Just put it on.
That grips on there. So if you're doing like just a floor, it holds on really tight, and then you just pull these ends and off it comes. So that's good. So this is for the wooden floors, vinyl, laminate, and then that's your carpet glider. So it's got everything on. Push the button. Off that comes, and then these are your attachments that can go in for handheld cleaning. Then you can put that on over the end, or that one over the end. If you want to do windows or glass,
Looks like a helicopter. That's actually good because it's long, isn't it?
Then you have your little measuring water to fill this with water. Glug, 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 glug.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. We have another unboxing from Vax, which will be in the next video.